What if I tell you, you can own a landed property in a prime area of Tagaytay na pwede mong gawing dream home or income-generating asset? Yes, hindi condo, but a house and lot. And this is inside a brand new Ayala community, introducing Serene Terraces Tagaytay. Guys, quick question. If may opportunity ka to own a property in Tagaytay na pwede mong gamitin for personal staycations and income generating at the same time, would you grab it? Good morning, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your senior property specialist in the South. Sanay kayo na Nuvali lang ang usual nating topic, but today, medyo lilipat muna tayo ng spotlight. Because we are now here in Tagaytay, one of the strongest vacation markets in the Philippines. Think about this, cool weather all year, iconic view of Taal Lake, non-stop tourist traffic, weekdays man yan or weekends, perfect for dates, family trips, corporate outings, or barkada reunions. That steady demand is exactly why short-term rentals and Airbnb businesses thrive here. And we've already proven that with successful Ayala developments like Serene West Tagaytay and Serene East Tagaytay, both located right beside Ayala Mall Serene. Prime, walkable, high-demand location. Now, here's the real update. May newly launched Ayala Community tayo, strategically located along Bonifacio Drive, Silang Crossing West Tagaytay. Prime access, near to famous restaurants, high potential appreciation. So instead of just explaining it, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Let's do a quick drive tour. We will start there from Ayala Mall Serene para makita ninyo kung gaano ka strategic ang location nitong bagong community natin. If you're looking for a smart investment in the South, stay with me. This one is exciting. So, welcome to our drive tour, no? Dito po tayo guys mag-i-start sa Ayala Mall Serene kasi ito po yung mas familiar, mas kilala sa prime area ng Tagaytay dahil ito ay located lang along Nasugbo, Tagaytay Road. Also, on our right side, dito rin po located si Serene West Tagaytay and Serene East Tagaytay kung saan meron po tayong mga available na condo units such as studio, 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units na pwedeng-pwede po for rental and Airbnb businesses kung gusto nyo po ng passive income. So tara, let's go na po to our community. Dito po ulit tayo mag-start sa Ayala Mall Serene. Also, this road po, no, yung Nasugbo Tagaytay Road is the main road going to Sky Ranch, going to the well-known restaurants na kung saan meron po tayong mga Taal Lake view. Also, this is the road going to Twin Lakes sa mga famous po natin na areas or mga restaurants, shops dito po sa Tagaytay. So after po ng ating Ayala Serene Mall, ay madadaanan na rin po natin ang church na pinakamalapit sa atin, which is si Our Lady of Lourdes Parish Church. So after po that, diretso lang po tayo kaunti and maya-maya po, mapupuntahan na po natin ang road going to Serene Terraces Tagaytay. Here na po tayo, no, sa may Espacio Carlo and yung road going to Serene Terraces Tagaytay. Andito po siya, may malaking Bonifacio Drive. So, go right lang po tayo. And dito po makikita na rin natin ng Serene Terraces Tagaytay po na sign. So straight lang po tayo and less than a minute ando na po tayo sa ating community. Imagine owning a house and lot in Tagaytay inside a low-density Ayala community with only 219 total units. Welcome to Serene Terraces, Tagaytay. This is a 3.9-hectare exclusive development, pre-selling with turnover on the third quarter of 2028. Now, think about that. 3.9 hectares, 219 units only, hindi ito mass development. Limited supply agad. Behind me are the two model units, inner unit and end unit. Both have the same 80 square meter for floor area, same efficient layout, 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and bathrooms. And one thing I really like about this layout, the master's bedroom has its own toilet and bathroom and with a balcony. That's a strong selling point for end users and for rental positioning. The difference between the two? Lot size, facade design, and positioning. The end unit is single attached, meaning one side lang ang dikit, usually corner. More privacy, more light, more premium feel, and today we'll focus on this end unit. Now, let's break down the end unit. 80 square meter floor area, the lot sizes ranging from 111 to 137 square meter. With parking, modern clean facade design, deliverable finish ito. So what you see inside is aligned with what will be the turnover. So before tayo pumasok sa loob, I want to highlight muna some of the smart features included in this unit. Because this is not just a regular townhouse. First, meron tayong CCTV system installed. Covered na rin po dito yung ating buong front yard sa ating parking area. So, added security agad for your vehicle, deliveries, and visitors. Whether end user ka or you plan to use this for Airbnb. Malaking advantage ito for safety and monitoring. Second, we have a smart door lock. Ito po siya. So goodbye sa traditional keys. This unit comes with digital access, which means keypad entry, more secure access control, convenient for homeowners, perfect for short-term rental setup. Imagine managing your property remotely without physically handing over the keys. Very efficient, especially if you plan to monetize the unit. These smart features add value not just in convenience but also in long-term property positioning. And the other smart features included are smart hub or gateway, smart sockets, smart switches, and a smoke detector. Now that you've seen the added security and tech upgrades, tara, let's go inside and check the interiors. So, welcome to your future home. Again guys, kung ano po yung makikita nyo dito sa house na ito po yung deliverable po natin na unit. So, lahat na makikita po ninyo, ito yung ma-turn over po na unit sa inyo. Pwera lang po sa ating tables and chairs na ito dahil nilagay lang po ito sa ating model unit for client presentation. So, kita nyo po, no? Sobrang maaliwalas itong unit natin, itong bahay natin. Kasi unang-una po, yung itong end unit is napakarami nating windows. Ito po, itong sa side, and yung dito po. Also, ang kinagandahan ng mga design ng houses ni Ayala kasi naka-open concept po tayo. So, meaning, wala po tayong divisions. Sobrang malaya kayong makapag-design ng sarili nyo pong bahay. Pagpasok po natin ng pinto, yung unang bubungad sa atin is yung ating living area. Ito po siya. And dito po yung ating TV. Obviously, kasi andito po yung mga saksakan, also yung mga cable for internet, saka yung sa landline natin. And after ng ating living area, dito naman po located, meron tayong sliding door. Going in and out, galing po sa lanay. So, if you have pets and kids na, example, gusto nang labas-pasok, eto po, buksan lang po natin itong sliding door natin. And if you want ng additional ventilation and natural light. Also, meron tayo ulit na windows po dito. And after that, eto na po yung ating space or area sa ating dining. So, dito po kasya up to 6 family members. So, depende po sa inyo kung paano po ninyo lagyan ng furnitures itong bahay ninyo. So, dito po sa likod ko, ito yung for service entry. Ayan po. Palabas po nito is kung gusto nyo pong maglagay ng additional or ng dirty kitchen sa labas, also ng laundry area. And again, dahil itong service entry natin, example, meron po kayong mga groceries na gusto niyo pong dumaan pero pwede na po tayong umikot dito para hindi na po tayo dumaan dito sa ating main door. So after this service entry, eto naman po yung ating built-in cabinet. So eto po, ganito na kaganda yung cabinets natin. So meron po tayong kitchen countertop, sink, lower and upper cabinets. Ito na po yung matuturn over sa inyo. Also, after po this sa area na ito, under the stairs, meron pa tayong maliit na space. Actually, medyo malaki na nga po ito na pwede po nating gawing storage. Kaya for example, lagayin nyo ng walis, dustpan, or vacuum para po hindi po siya nakakalat sa bahay po natin. And ito naman po yung ating toilet and bathroom sa ating ground floor. Ayan po. Pakita ko lang po sa inyo kung ano yung mga built-in fixtures dito. So meron na po tayong sink, toilet, also may overhead shower na po tayo dito. Lahat ng fixtures natin naka-American standard na. So kahit hindi na po natin palitan, mag-improve na lang tayo or magdagdag like cabinets or dito po yung division for your shower. And also, naka-ready na rin po tayo dito kung maglalagay kayo ng water heater. Yan po siya. Yung ating saksakan is naka-GFCI na rin. Para example, mabasa man yung saksakan natin, mag-shutdown lang po yung power sa area na ito for your safety. Now, let's go upstairs naman para ma-check natin kung gaano kalawak yung ating mga rooms. Tara! So habang paakit po tayo ng stairs, no? By the way, yung stairs natin, naka-wooden type po ito. Also, meron po tayong staircase window dito. Kumbaga, additional light na pwede nyo po ang pumasok sa bahay nyo, mas maaliwalas. Yan po. Habang tayong papaakyat, alam niyo po guys, ang napakagandang gawin dito dahil mataas po yung ceiling na to. Etong sa ball, pwede po itong chandelier. Kumbaga, design talaga siya na pwede nyo pong ilagay is yung chandelier. Ayan po. And guys, before we enter sa ating first bedroom, ipakita ko lang po sa inyo yung one of the smart features nitong unit. Ito po yung example of smart socket. Parang touchscreen na lang po siya dito. So, patayin. Di na po siya yung traditional na switch. Ngayon po, dipindot na lang siya. Okay, so tara sa ating first bedroom. Yan po. Tignan niyo po kung gaano kalawak yung mga normal rooms po natin. So, ito po yung ating windows dito. And dito po sa lawak ng room natin, if you want to maximize the space, kayang-kaya po up to king size po na bed. Pero if you want na mas malagyan pa siya ng ibang designs, tables and chairs, or if you want lagyan ng TV, nasa inyo naman po yun kung paano po siya lalagyan ng furnitures. So for this one po, no, dito po meron tayong nakaabang na space para paglagyan ng window type aircon. So again, dito naka-smart, rin po tayo, smart switch. And dito naman po tayo sa ating second bedroom. And again guys, same po sila ng size. Ang kinaganahan ng second bedroom kasi naka-corner po siya. So meaning, dalawang windows. So dalawa kayong pagkukuhanan ng hangin, dalawa po yung pagkukuhanan natin ng view. So nasa inyo po kung saan niyo po ilalagay yung inyong bed. Kasi pa rin up to king if you want to maximize. Now, let's go naman sa ating toilet and bathroom dito sa second level. So, same po, no? Kung ano po yung nakikita ninyo, ito na rin po yung ma-deliver sa inyong unit. So, meron na tayong built-in fixtures. Also, nakaabang na rin for water heater. Ayan po. Same space lang po and same fixtures doon sa baba natin. Now, this is the exciting part. Ito na po yung ating master's bedroom. Look kung gaano kalawak yung ating master's bedroom. Kahit lagyan mo yan ng king size na bed, sobrang malawak pa rin yung mga paglalagyan natin. So eto po, madami tayong windows dito. Also, meron tayong balcony and isa sa pinakamagandang advantage or yung ating master's bedroom kasi meron siyang sariling toilet and bathroom. Yan po. Same size, lahat ng fixtures parehong-pareho, pati water heater pwedeng paglagyan. And now, punta naman tayo sa ating balcony. So, eto ang balcony ng master's bedroom. Kung gusto mong ma-feel, example, after ng pagising ninyo, may feel mo kung gaano kalamig dito sa Tagaytay. Dito ka lang sa balcony mo. And dito, kitang-kita mo ang Ayala Serene East Tagaytay. So, yan po, no? Kung andito lang po kayo sa ating unit and dito sa Tagaytay, alam nyo na po kung gaano kalamig dito, lalo pag gabi. So, enjoy nyo lang po dito sa inyong balcony. And if you want ng site viewing, ng full computation, tsaka ng details, please send lang po ng message sa aking details sa top right ng screen po ninyo. Alright guys, let's talk the numbers naman. The total contract price is around 14.2 million. Now, we have two payment options depending on your cash flow strategy. The option 1, this is with spot down payment. If you're comfortable putting a partial upfront amount, this is more flexible structure. The 10% spot down payment is approximately 1.3 million. Another 10% payable over 42 months, around 34,000 per month, and the remaining 80% balance is through cash or bank financing on the 43rd month. Structured, spread out, manageable entry. This option lowers your monthly exposure during the pre-selling stage. And of course, meron po kayong huge discounts. Now, we have this option too. This is no spot down payment. If you prefer not to release a big lump sum upfront, this option is perfect for you. No spot down payment. The entire 20% down payment is stretched over 42 months, which is approximately 69,000 per month. Then, the remaining 80% balance will still be payable via cash or bank financing after 42 months. So, it really depends on your liquidity preference. Lower monthly with upfront down payment and huge discounts, or a higher monthly zero spot cash out. Either way, you're securing a property in Tagaytay under Serene Terraces, Tagaytay, habang pre-selling pa ito. And remember, habang papalapit ang turnover, prices typically adjust upward. So the earlier you enter, the stronger your position. Now, let's talk income potential. These units are open for rental and Airbnb. The current 3-bedroom rental rates in Tagaytay range from 4,000 to 5,000 per night. And that's today rate. By 2028 turnover, that can still appreciate depending on tourism demand. And don't forget, this is already a landed property. For comparison, at a 70 square meter 2-bedroom condo in Serene East Tagaytay currently ranges from 12 million to 17 million. And parking is not yet included pa ha. Parking alone is around 1 million. So if you're choosing between a condo unit or a landed 3-bedroom house with parking at around 14 million, the value positioning is very strong here. Limited units, tourism-driven location, landed property. That combination doesn't usually last long. If you want a full computation, updated availability, or to schedule a site viewing, message me on Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart property opportunities here in the South. Again, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your senior property specialist in the South.